How are you feeling? Uncomfortable? Comfortable? With me not speaking from the start of the video? Silence is a funny thing. Sometimes we seek it, sometimes we avoid it. How did you just feel? How is this silence making you feel now? Can you hear your own pitch, your ring inside, tone? It's a sound of source, celestial sound. Some say it has a pitch like a C plus, or Cis, how we say in German. Do you take time to listen to your inner wisdom and listen to the sound, the story, frequency? What does it tell you if you do take your time to tune in? It is probably different wherever you are when you tune in. In a quiet room, outdoors where you hear the wind, the birds, or even in a crowded area where it's loud. I invite you to go to different places and be silent and listen. Have you chosen to speak sometimes? Not for a few minutes, a few hours, a few days, a few weeks. Some people even decided not to speak for a few months. What does it do to you? Go and explore. And then let me know. I would love to know. We can share our experiences. Maybe even give tips each other how we can achieve it better if we want to. Thank you. Enjoy this beautiful silence.